Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to create a halftone pattern effect in Photoshop to make your image more stunning for using any design. Watch carefully to the end, and write in the comments section one thing you learn in this video. Let's get started. I am here on Photoshop screen and open an image. It's a high quality image with the dimension of 2035 by 2747 with 72 resolution. Click on the adjustment layer and make this image black and white. Then create a new layer. Click at it and fill with 50% gray. Now convert this layer into a smart object and make this editable for easy changes to apply our effects. Now click on Filter Gallery in Sketch and select Halftone Pattern. Make sure contrast is 0 and size around 3 and pattern type into the dot. Now create a new effect layer and change it to Torn Edges. Adjust the contrast on 1. Image balance 22 and smoothness is around 10. Click OK. Change overlay to max hard. The image looks so hard to let's decrease the fill by about 80. Click on the new adjustment layer and create a gradient mask. I create this manually with light color D2O B8F. Dark color is 2A133. Now click OK. Let's refine our effect. Click on Filter, Distort, then select Twirl. Set angle on 20 and click OK. This effect looks cool here. Let's try into lines. Off the twirl and double-click on Filter Gallery. Select Halftone Pattern and change pattern type into line. Adjust the size to and click OK. It's look good. Let's make lines a little wavy. Click on Filter, Distort, select Wave. Adjust wavelength 370 minimum and 369 max. Now it looks more stunning. This is the best method for accurate and predictable halftone image. The best thing is that it uses smart objects so we can easily replace the main image. What other Photoshop filter you like to make a tutorial about? If you learn anything from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.